Exercise number 1, tricep overhead extension. You can do this exercise sitting or standing. This exercise increases its size by toning the back of triceps, which make the arm look very attractive. Whenever you bring up the dumbbell, you have to squeeze your muscles, then you have to do 12 to 15 reps and 3 to 4 sets of the exercise. Exercise number 2, dumbbell skull crusher. To do this exercise, first practice with low weight. Try lifting heavy weight later. Keep in mind that lift the dumbbell from behind the head and not over the head. Whenever you bring dumbbell above your head, so you have to squeeze the tricep muscle well so that your tricep muscle should grow fast. You have to do 3 to 4 sets and 10 to 15 reps of exercise. Exercise number 3, close grip dumbbell press. Now if you perform any exercise, then the press exercise is most powerful in it, due to which your muscle grows quickly in the exercise. You have to bring the dumbbell on the nipple of your chest, and while taking the dumbbell up you have to stretch well so that you create tension on the tricep muscle. Remember that you have to keep the elbow inward and for the exercise for you to lift heavy weight. You also have to try this exercise. You have to do 10 to 12 reps and 3 to 4 sets. Exercise number 4, dumbbell TATE press. In this exercise, you have to choose dumbbells according to your strength and lie straight on a flat bench. Whenever you bring the dumbbell up, you have to stretch the muscle and bring the dumbbell down. Then you have to squeeze it like you have to show in the video. In this exercise also you have to do 12 to 15 reps and 3 to 4 sets. Exercise number 5, dumbbell kickback. Kickback is a very good exercise, and this exercise helping the grow the tricep muscle fast. To do this exercise holding a dumbbell in your hand, you have to standing holding something in the band and take the dumbbell back as far as you can as shown in the video and stretch your tricep muscle properly. Stretching is very good exercise. Friends, you have to do 12 to 15 reps and 3 to 4 sets. Exercise number 6, close grip push-ups. Close grip push-ups are similar to normal push-ups. Only in this exercise your hand have to be kept inside the shoulder width so that maximum load it place your tricep muscle. In this exercise we have to use dumbbell like you have to show in the video. You have to push up on the dumbbell which do not come in the way than your normal push-up. You have to do 3 to 4 sets of close grip push-ups and do 12 to 15 reps.